Hey guys, welcome back. Today, we're unveiling 13 brilliant Amazon home organization gadgets that will transform your space. From smart storage solutions to must-have cleaning tools, these picks will upgrade your home. As usual, links to all these products in the description below so you can grab your favorite. This vacuum storage bags with electric pump is the perfect solution for maximizing space and keeping your belongings fresh and organized. Designed for convenience, these durable, airtight, and waterproof bags protect your clothes, bedding, and more from dust, moisture, and odors. The included electric pump makes compression effortless, saving you time and energy compared to manual pumps. Whether you're storing seasonal items, packing for travel, or decluttering your home, these vacuum storage bags help you reduce bulk by up to 80%. This towel warmer brings a touch of luxury to your daily routine. Designed in a bucket-style heater with an LED display, it ensures your towels are warm, cozy, and ready whenever you need them. With a spacious interior, it can accommodate multiple towels, robes, or even blankets, making it perfect for home, spa, or salon use. The rapid heating technology delivers soothing warmth in minutes, while the adjustable timer settings allow for customized heating. Elevate your comfort with this sleek and efficient towel warmer, because every bath or shower deserves a spa-like finish. This shoe slots organizer is the ultimate space-saving solution for your shoe collection. Designed to maximize storage efficiency, it allows you to neatly stack shoes on top of each other, instantly doubling your storage capacity. With its adjustable height feature, it accommodates various shoe sizes, from sneakers to high heels. The durable, non-slip design ensures your footwear stays securely in place, preventing clutter and damage. Perfect for closets, entryways, and dorm rooms, this organizer keeps your shoes organized, easily accessible, and looking great. This vacuum sealer machine is the ultimate solution for keeping your food fresh up to 5x longer. Designed with smart technology, it automatically detects bag size and creates an airtight seal for maximum freshness. The built-in handheld sealer works effortlessly with zipper bags and containers, making it perfect for meal prepping, sous vide cooking, and reducing food waste. Its fully automatic operation ensures ease of use, while the LED indicators guide you through the process. Durable, reliable, and convenient, this vacuum sealer helps you save time and money while preserving the flavor and quality of your food. This space-saving hanger is the ultimate solution to maximize your closet space while keeping your clothes organized and wrinkle-free. Designed for efficiency, this hanger features a smart cascading system that allows you to hang multiple garments vertically, instantly creating up to 80% more space in your wardrobe. Made with durable, high-quality materials, it supports heavy loads without bending or breaking. Perfect for small closets, apartments, and dorm rooms, this space-saving hanger helps you declutter effortlessly while keeping your favorite outfits easily accessible. This dryer cleaner is the perfect solution for maintaining a clean and efficient dryer. Designed to remove lint buildup and improve airflow, this kit helps reduce drying time, prevent overheating, and lower energy costs. It includes a flexible lint brush and a vacuum hose attachment, making it easy to clean deep inside dryer vents, lint traps, and even hard-to-reach areas. Compatible with most dryers and vacuum systems, this must-have tool enhances appliance performance and safety. Keep your home and laundry area free from lint hazards with this practical and effective cleaning kit. This sink sponge holder is the perfect solution for keeping your kitchen sink area neat and organized. Designed for convenience, it provides a dedicated space for your sponges, scrubbers, and dish soap, ensuring everything stays within easy reach. This sink caddy features a durable and rust-resistant design, making it ideal for long-term use in wet environments. The open bottom and drainage holes allow water to flow through, preventing buildup and keeping your sponges dry and clean. This versatile organizer is easy to install and fits most sinks, helping you maximize counter space and maintain a clutter-free kitchen. This mug organizer is the perfect solution to declutter your kitchen and keep your favorite mugs neatly arranged. Designed for both style and functionality, it maximizes space in cabinets, countertops, or coffee stations while ensuring easy access to your mugs. The sturdy and durable construction provides reliable support, while the sleek, modern design complements any kitchen decor. Whether you're a coffee enthusiast or just looking for a smart storage solution, This organizer helps maintain order and adds a touch of elegance to your space. This magnetic spice grip is the perfect solution for RV camper kitchen organization, keeping your spices secure and easily accessible while on the move. Designed with strong magnetic backing, these jars attach firmly to any metal surface, such as refrigerators or magnetic spice racks, saving valuable counter and cabinet space. The airtight lids keep your seasonings fresh, while the clear top design allows for quick identification of contents. Whether you're in an RV, camper, or small kitchen, this space-saving solution ensures your favorite spices are always within reach. Say goodbye to clutter and enjoy a more organized cooking experience. This innovative food block maker is designed to maximize freezer space and keep your food neatly organized. It effortlessly shapes liquids like soups, broths, and sauces into uniform blocks, making stacking and storing more efficient. The easy-to-use design ensures mess-free filling and quick freezing, while the flexible, BPA-free material allows for easy block removal. Say goodbye to cluttered freezers and hello to perfectly portioned, stackable food storage. This cord organizer is the ultimate solution to keep your kitchen and home clutter-free. Designed for convenience, it securely holds appliance cords in place, preventing tangles and messy countertops. Made from durable, high-quality materials, it ensures long-lasting use while maintaining a sleek, minimalist look. Easy to install with a strong adhesive backing, it firmly sticks to various surfaces, making it perfect for kitchen appliances, office devices, and household gadgets. This jar opener is the ultimate hands-free solution for effortlessly opening stubborn jars and bottles. Designed to be mounted under cabinets, counters, or tables, it stays hidden yet always ready to help. With its strong, easy grip teeth, it securely holds and opens lids of all sizes, making it perfect for seniors, arthritis sufferers, or anyone with weak hands. No more struggling or asking for help, just twist and enjoy the convenience. This double laundry hamper is designed to keep your laundry organized with ease. Featuring a removable laundry bag and a secure lid, it offers a convenient way to separate lights and darks or different types of laundry. The spacious dual compartments maximize storage capacity, while the sturdy construction ensures durability for everyday use. With easy-to-carry handles, moving laundry has never been simpler. Perfect for bedrooms, bathrooms, and laundry rooms, this stylish and functional hamper helps maintain a neat and clutter-free space. This magnetic stove shelf is the perfect solution for maximizing kitchen space while keeping essentials within reach. Designed with a sleek stainless steel finish, it seamlessly blends with modern kitchen aesthetics, adding both functionality and style. The strong built-in magnets ensure a secure and stable attachment to your stove, requiring no drilling or installation effort. Ideal for storing spices, oils, and cooking essentials, this durable shelf is heat-resistant and easy to clean. Upgrade your kitchen organization effortlessly with this magnetic stove shelf. And there you have it. Which gadget are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below.